Hi there, it's me here again. I thought I'd try this new format. I know it's not correct, I know it's not right. If you got good speakers, my voice is probably coming out from just one side of this. Anyway, I wanted to make a video, part one, why I will not buy a Tesla Model 2, the $25,000 car. And this is compared with the Mitsubishi Mirage. So let's take a look. The cost to buy the car, the Mitsubishi Mirage is $11,000. The Tesla Model 2, the new one is $25,000. If I have $30,000 that I want to spend on a car, if I buy either car in cash, I'll have $19,000 left over after the Mitsubishi Mirage. Whereas if I buy the Tesla Model 2, I'll have $5,000. So that alone is a huge opportunity cost. This is advanced money math. When you spend this money, you're giving up quite a bit of opportunity just to have the Model 2. My next video, I'll go into other information, the positives of going into the Model 2, but for right now, let's just go with what I have. Let's go 7,500 miles in the city. For the gasoline car, I just use the city MPG, and that's what that is for 7,500 miles. That's 15,000 miles a year. And then for the Tesla Model 2, I used what you could consider charging at home. So it's a lower charging cost. And then for the next 7,500 miles, I have highway driving, which is a better fuel economy for at least the Mitsubishi Mirage. And then as we look into the Tesla Model 2, it goes a little bit higher because I'm assuming you're using superchargers, and those cost a little bit more than charging at home. So total fuel expense in a year, Mitsubishi is way higher than the Tesla. That's true, but you end up with $19,000 more in your pocket compared to the Tesla Model 2. So I have other repairs in a year. The Mitsubishi Mirage says it needs to have an oil change every 7,500 miles. There's 2 oil changes a year. It's not that much. And then for the Tesla Model 2, I put $180. That's mostly tire wear and tear. I roughly estimated 1 cent a mile in tire expense. So if your tires go 60,000 miles, you spend $600 on them, 1 cent per mile. All right. And then, I don't know, let's throw in some windshield wiper fluids or whatever. So it's minimal, basic, simple math. I'm not trying to get this all correct and accurate or whatever. It is basic information for money management. So how we do this, okay? So we add these two numbers up. It adds up to that. That's simple. Add these two numbers up. It adds up to that. Yeah, I should have functioned that into dollar signs. Actually, let me do it right now. Yeah, come on. Here it is. Let's just mark those up as dollars. Boom. Okay, keep that simple. Okay, now here's where we get into the advanced money part. So you have a 2% interest loan on a 6-year loan for both of these cars. That means in 1 year, your payment is gonna be that. Okay, and then in 1 year for the Tesla Model 2, your payment is going to be that. This is with a zero out of pocket. It's a $0 loan, zero down loan. Okay, so let's go into the advanced parts. You should not buy a car with cash. If you have good credit, if you're investing, if you're in stocks, you should never buy a car in cash. As a matter of fact, you should put as little money down as possible. Don't put anything down, okay? So let's go into it. So first year breakdown, this number here is your fuel expenses plus your monthly payments. This number here is your monthly payments and your fuel expenses. Okay, so you see, even like this, the Mitsubishi Mirage is coming out way ahead of the Tesla. It's not justified to buy the Tesla. Okay, so at the after you spend that money, this is what you have remaining at the end of 1 year. Okay, year 2 breakdown. This is what you spent is double that. This is what you spent is double that. Okay, this is what's happening to your money. Slowly going away. Yeah. Come on now. There we go. So that's your year 2, year 3, triple that number, triple that number. You shouldn't have any weird expenses. Year 4, triple this number, 4x that number, 4x this number in expenses. So you started with 30,000, you subtract this, you subtract this, you subtract this, you subtract this, you subtract that. Yeah, remaining balance from 30,000. It's not that much left. This is what you've already spent on the car. All right. It's adding up. All right. Year 5 breakdown. You've already spent $25,000 on the Model 3. You spent $17,000 on the Mitsubishi Mirage. You want to be careful with that because you're starting to spend a whole lot of money on that Mitsubishi, but it's still not justified to hang on to the Tesla. You've spent about, what is that, $6,000 more on the Tesla than you've done on the Mitsubishi, even though the Mitsubishi is costing you a lot more money. Okay, I put year 5 twice. It is actually supposed to be year 6. Let's correct that right now. No reason to leave that as an error. So on year 6, you would have already spent $30,000. You're done with your money. You have nothing left from your $30,000. Whereas with your Mitsubishi Mirage, you're at $21,000. You have about $8,000 left over. Okay. I've got some other advanced things on this side. I gotta figure out how to hide that right now. Let's see if I can figure that out. View. I want to make it bigger. I want to zoom in. All right, I have options here. Boom. Let's figure this out. Sorry guys, I suck at this video stuff, okay? I'm openly admitting it. Just bear with me. Okay, so we're gonna do another breakdown. Okay, I want to hide that information on that side for right now. We'll get to that in another video. Okay, so why do I have this? Is this the same exact information twice? 26, yeah it is. Yeah it is. Why do I have it twice? Okay, yeah, that doesn't make sense. Okay, so I guess we're not going over that exactly. I'm gonna reveal this slowly, okay? I'm gonna scooch over to the other side. Extrapolate. I need to zoom back out for this one. You need more of the screen. Zoom out, out. Sorry guys. Bear with me. I suck at these things. I'm gonna get better, but I suck right now. I need you to like and subscribe so I can improve, so you don't have to deal with this kind of junk. So I can figure out how to record on the desktop directly and how I can make it like dark and light. And I'm almost about to like put a piece of paper up here or something to make it more simpler. Okay, so we're extrapolating. So these numbers are the same. In year 1, that's what you spent. You have a total of $30,000. Let's scroll down some. Now, from your $30,000, you spent $3,921. I'm sorry, wow. $3,591.58. And then you've invested the rest of the money into the stock market of your $30,000 and you got an 8% return. All right. It's not amazing. It's not sucky. It's just decent returns. Okay. You did the same with the Tesla. You spent the 5,000 of your 30,000. You invested the rest. That's what you got. Let me see, where's the scroll down? There it is. Okay, so here we have year 2. You spent the same amount. That's your total remaining. If you didn't invest it, and that's what you have because you did invest it. Okay, year 2 we did a 7%. It really doesn't matter. I could change that to an 8%. I have it at 7%. You just got to take it as it is right now. We're going to move on. So we're going to go to year 3. If you're investing, see, the Mitsubishi is ending up way ahead of the Tesla, even though with the Tesla you're able to get better returns with fuel economy and everything. Let's go year 4, year 5. I'm just going to open some of this up a little bit. Okay, let's go to year 6. So you've got your car paid off right here at year 6. And let's go down just a little bit more. Okay, so you've got your car. You paid off your $11,000 car. You have $17,000 left because you invested the remainder. And then with the Model 2, that's a $25,000 car. You have $6,899 left because, I'm sorry, $6,889 because you invested it and you got a return of 7% for years 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right. This is advanced money, so it's the numbers are gonna start to get a little bit weird here. Okay. So that's what we have. What am I doing here? So from your $30,000, you have 17,902. That means you've actually only spent $12,097 after 6 years. All right, and then it looks like for the Tesla Model 3, you spent $23,110, which is actually cheaper than the price of the car because of your investment returns. But you still spent $23,000. You're only left with $6,889. In both cases you're winning because you invested, you were smart. But with the Mitsubishi, you're in a way better position. Okay, this was part 1. I have a part 2 coming to this. It's going to be coming up soon. I'm going to record it right after I turn this off. And it's going to be even more advanced. So go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you see part 2, because once you see part 2, you're going to be in a whole world of, wow, I didn't know to think of it this way or something. So thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment. These are new videos. I'm new to YouTube. I don't know what I'm doing. Help me figure it out. Leave comments, suggestions, anything. I'll take it. I want it. I need it. Obviously, I don't know what I'm doing here, so just help me out. I would absolutely appreciate that. Thank you, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.